Hey everybody, Jeff Teague here. I'm at the New York Auto Show and we're looking at the Supra Final Edition. This is stunning. I love the color contrast. Wait until you see the inside, the outside. It's like Band Europe said, it's the final countdown. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. It looks like this is gonna be the final year for the Mark V Supra. What's gonna come after that? I don't know. Some of you might know. But we're gonna look at the styling inside and outside. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. Let's learn some more. We saw black and red outside accents, but now we're gonna see the inside. Red seatbelt, GR logo, red accent stitching along with the light gray accent stitching. Got the sport pedals, and look right here. This one says limited to 1,300 units produced. How about the shifter? 6-speed manual. There we go. Of course, this one is turbocharged, 3.0 liter, 6-cylinder, 382 horsepower, 368 pound-feet of torque. The suspension and chassis modifications that enhances stability and strengthens the direct connection to the road. The ducktail carbon fiber rear spoiler, we'll look at that closer. Large brake Brembo disc brakes, like it. Gloss and matte exterior color options, yep. Very nice. So we've got burnout and undercover. This is undercover. GR logo right there. That is beautiful. Gazoo Racing. Like the wheel design, the Brembo brakes. This is great. I love the matte accents here. This is called a double bubble roof, which is kind of a funny name for a vehicle. Gloss accents on the pillar. We've got gloss red. Really stands out. It makes an impression. Turn signal indicator, blind spot. Very nice. Let's walk around here. It's got front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, 6 jewel headlight beams, the lights for accent lights. That is a cool front end. Now this would be an excellent, without the red of course, this would be an excellent Batmobile. Or maybe it would be an excellent Batmobile with the red. Now this duckbill spoiler, carbon fiber accents right here. Oh yeah, that is hot. H to the OT, hot. Got the backup lights down there, backup sensors. Do you like the look of the exhaust ports? What do you think? A mix inside of gloss black and just a flat black. What's gonna happen after the partnership is over? Will the Supra go off on its own? Will it become electrified? We really don't know. I can't wait to find out. Let me know what you guys think. If you want more GR videos, then be sure and click on my GR family video. GR family. Maybe we'll do this one next. All right, thanks everybody, and we'll definitely see you next time.